Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate pretty much any streaming services you want into Home Assistant using Music Assistant. But don't get me wrong, Music Assistant is not just an integration. It's a music library manager for all your music, including streaming and local services. And not only that, it has some advanced features like volume normalization and Crossfade support for all your media players. All of this with just a few clicks. And if you're ready, let's go! To get this working, just go to my website, and here just click on the Hacks repository button, click on Open Link, and here just click on Download. Here we need to activate the Show Beta version, and just click on Select Version, and here we are going to select the last one. If this happens to you, just select the previous one first, and then click the last one. And now click Download. This is going to download the beta version that is needed to work with Home Assistant 23.3. And then just click on Developer Tools, and click on Restart, and Restart. After it's finished, just click on Settings, Devices and Services, and here we are going to click on Add Integration, and we are going to look for Music Assistant. Just click on it. Here it's going to ask you if you want to install the add-on. Just make sure that this is checked, and then click Submit. This is probably going to take a while, but you don't need to worry. You just have to be patient and wait for it to finish. If this happens to you, just click on Close, then go to Settings, click on Add-ons, and here you just need to verify that the Music Assistant add-on is installed, and you can verify here if there is a problem. If the button here is green, it means that everything is okay. Then just go to Settings again, Devices and Services, and let's try again. Click on Integration, here look for Music Assistant, click on it, and let's click the first one. Click Submit, and then click on Finish. Now to use it, just go to Settings, click on Add-ons, and here just click on Music Assistant, and we are going to select Show in Sidebar. Now just click on Music Assistant, and here you have it. Now just click on this button to expand the menu, and go to Settings. Here you can find all the player providers that they support. Currently they support Chromecast, Sonos, AirPlay, DLNA players, Slim Proto, and Universal Group Player. And for metadata providers, they have the i2DB, fanart.tv, and Music Brains. And now to use it, first you need to add a music provider. For this, just click on Add Music Provider, and here you just need to select the service that you want. I am going to show you how to use it on Spotify and YouTube Music, but the process should be pretty much the same for any other provider. Now just click on the service that you want, and here just enter the username and password, and then just click on Save. And that's it. Right now it is already synchronizing the information of my Spotify account with my Music Assistant. Now for YouTube Music, just click on Add Music Provider, and then just click on it. Here we need to click this button, and then just click Continue. Select your account, and then click on Allow. And that's it. Now go back to Home Assistant, and here you just click on Save. And that's it. And now you just need to wait for it to synchronize all the information from your music providers. While this is synchronizing, I'm going to show you how to use the players. For this, just click on Players, and here you can find the list of players that you can use with Music Assistant, and you have the ability to create group players. This functionality is supposed to allow you to create groups from different types of players, like a Chromecast, a Sonos player, and an Apple TV, for example. But in my testing, the feature seems to be not production ready yet. I experienced synchronization problems with every combination of my players that I tried, so I wouldn't recommend for you to use it yet. So for now, you can only use the native group system for your smart speakers. But to avoid synchronization problems, we need to make some adjustments. For this, just click on the group that you want to use, and here we need to enable the flow mode. This is going to add support for Crossfade for your music and prevent some playback problems. Then click on Advanced Settings, and here we are going to change the output codec. In my testing, using the default one caused problems of synchronization. I tested ACC and MP3, and none of them gave me problems. So I ended up setting this to ACC for the better quality. Here you can also adjust the crossfade duration if you need, and then click Save. Now you need to do this for every player that you want to use, and that's it. With these changes, I haven't experienced any problems in synchronization. One thing that is currently missing is the ability to move the music from one speaker to another. So, for example, if I want to play something in my bedroom, I just need to click here, select bedroom, then just click on, for example, playlist. I'm going to select one of my playlists, then just click play, and then hit play now. You can see here that at first it's going to start loading the track. After a while, it's just going to stop and go back to 0, and that is when the music is going to start playing in your speaker.
It's Britney, bitch.
This happens because Music Assistant first downloads the music and then it starts streaming it to your music player. But if I want to move my music and I click bedroom, and for example, I click then living room, the music is still playing in bedroom and there is no way for me to change it. So right now what we have to do is just pause the music in one place and then select the one that we need and just click play and play now.
It's Britney, bitch.
This time you can see that it was much faster because it already had the sound downloaded, but you need to consider this because there is always going to be a slight delay from when you hit play to when the music starts playing in your speaker. But this will only happen for the first song. Another thing that you might notice is that if you go to Developer Tools and then click on State, and here just filter Media Player, you can see that now I have 2 of each. 2 of bathroom, 2 of bedroom. This is because Music Assistant imports their players into Home Assistant. So if you want to automate using Music Assistant, you need to use the media player that Music Assistant created, not the original one that Home Assistant detected. You can identify the media player from Music Assistant either looking for the attribute Mass Player ID, or if you go to Settings, Integrations, Music Assistant, and here you can find the media players that you can use to automate with Music Assistant. With that being said, now I'm going to show you how to use it in an automation. For this, just go to Settings, click on Automations, click on Create Automation, and create New Automation. Here we are just going to copy the example from my website. Then just click on the 3 dots, click on Edit in YAML, select everything and just paste it. Then just click on the 3 dots again and click on Edit in Visual Editor. For this automation, I am using a switch. So every time that I press it one time, it will trigger the automation. And now for the action, I am using Choose. The first option is going to start the playlist. First, it's going to validate if the media player is off, or if the media player is idle, or if it's in a standby mode. If any of the 3 conditions matches, first we are going to call the shuffle service to ensure that the playlist is always in shuffle mode. For this, we just need to select media player shuffle, then select the target media player and activate the shuffle. And the next action is going to be play media. Here we just need to select the media player and then we just need to click on this icon. Here we just need to select what we want to use. I'm going to select a playlist and then just click on the plus symbol, and that's it. Now the next option is going to verify first. If the music is playing or buffering, it's going to pause the media player. And the third option is going to verify if the media player is paused, it's going to resume the playback. Then just click on save. And now we can test it. If I press the switch one time, the automation is going to be triggered, and since the player is off, it's going to load the playlist and start downloading the first song. And after it's finished, it's going to start playing. If I press it again, it will pause. And if I press it again, it will resume the playback. And that's it. With this, you can control your music playback with just one button. And now I'm going to show you how to use it in the dashboard. For this, just click on Overview, and here we're going to click on the 3 dots, click on Edit Dashboard, and we're going to click on Add a Card. And here we just need to look for Manual, click on it, and now just go to my website, click on Music Group Card Example, copy it, and then just paste it on your Home Assistant. Then click on Show Visual Editor. The first card is a vertical stack. This is going to allow us to group our cards. Then I am using a condition card. The first card is for the group and the other 2 are its members. For the group card, the condition that I am setting is that the living room and the kitchen should not be playing. What this is going to do is hide the group card if you are only using one of your speakers. The next one is for my living room speaker. And the condition for this is that the exterior group is not playing. So if I am using the group, the individual cards are not going to be shown. And the same is for the other member. And in card, I am just using the default media player card. If you want to use this with your own setup, you just need to change the media players in the condition and in the cards, and then just click on save. And now, if I place something on my group, you can see that automatically the group members hide. And if I pause it, they appear again. Now, if I place something only on one of my speakers, the group card is the one that disappears. And that's it. Now you can even select and change the music directly from the card. For this, just click on the icon here, and here we just need to select the track that we want to play. I'm going to select a playlist, and that's it. You can play, pause, and change the music from here. But the one feature that is not working is changing the time in the song. If you click on the bar, it will only give you an error. These little things that I mentioned are probably going to be fixed when the final version arrives. But as it is, it's more than good enough for you to at least give it a try. If something changes in the future, I will be covering in a new video. And that's it. Right now, the version 2.0 is still in beta, but thanks to the Music Assistant organization and all the contributors, this is continually improving, and they are aiming to finish this beta phase soon. I will leave the link in the description for you to check them out, and maybe consider becoming a sponsor of this incredible project. And now, I want to know from you, what other things would you want me to cover in a video? Leave me your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!